So guys, just going to take you for a walk around the Vauxhall Mokka we've just taken into stock. This 1.6 petrol tech line 2-wheel drive. It's finished in a lovely black paint, as you can see, with the silver alloy wheels, the chrome surrounds at the front and rear bumper as well. Really good example, really good history, which I'll show you a little bit further on in the video if that's okay. Looks great in the sunshine, which is very rare here in Kendal, but take it while we've got it. You've got front and rear sensors, navigation, Bluetooth, all within this this Vauxhall Mokka. We've got the terrific ride height for the you know, for around the lakes as well. So you can see over the hedges and walls we encounter. Interior wise, you've got the cloth interior throughout. Just jump in. Confirmation of the mileage there at just over 41,600, so 41,682. You've got cruise control, mounted audio controls, all your lights, and lights are an automatic option here. So you just flip that across to automatic. You can override that at any point. You've got Bluetooth telephone, which is showing on there at the moment. Navigation system, home screen, which will take you through all the audio options you've got as well. That's all controlled down here. You've got your dual zone climate control a little bit further down, and your park sensors, eco mode, etc. just above the 5-speed gearbox. As I mentioned, service history is really good. You've got 2 keys with this one as well, so obviously really well looked after. So you've got the first service in 2015 here, and you've got 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, and then just done with ourselves here when it's arrived into stock here at Kendal Automart by our Honda technicians. So like I say, 2 keys, great service history, extra cubby hole in the dashboard here for you as well. But really good example. I'm sure it won't stick around long with the specification and the competitive price, but if you do want to organise an appointment to view and drive the vehicle, then we are available on various platforms: Facebook, Instagram. You know, you can get us on the Cox Motor Group website, obviously through Auto Trader. You can live chat us or give us a call, pop an inquiry through, and we'll do that. There is also a reservation option on our website if you wish to use that to secure the car for 72 hours. But hopefully we'll be catching up very soon. But if you do have any more questions, please give us a shout. Bye bye for now.